Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this football turkey paint by line. I've gone in already and just base coated him with the color chocolate for the footballs, cotton for all of the white. I'm using the Gulf right now for his eyes, Colonel Mustard for his nose, and Barn Red for his gobbler, and then putty for his body. And then I just let all of that dry completely so that I could go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and outline everything. And next I'm going in with a number 4 round in the color cotton, and I'm going over my football stripes. And then I will use that same brush and that same cotton color to highlight all of his little details on his body, his nose, everything, just brighten it up a little bit. And then that will actually complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoy this and have a wonderful day.